Residents of Bentiu have to get around by boat. This city in northern South Sudan has faced flood waters that have not fully receded for 6 years. Medical buildings, water facilities, and food sources have all been destroyed. Some fields are protected by dikes built by the United Nations, but many farmers are displaced.
We are facing difficulties like waterborne diseases. Other wild animals like snakes are also attacking us because we are all fighting for the small piece of dry land which is available now.
All of us are worried about this flood. I don't know how it will end for us women. We don't have access to firewood or charcoal. There is no food. We only depend on food aid. It's a very difficult life.
South Sudan's water ministry says floods are expected to hit the country hard this year. Waterlogged land will impact crop production and reduce livestock grazing grounds. That will worsen food insecurity and further limit access to safe water and proper sanitation facilities. The government says River Nile has risen to a level never seen here before, yet rains are still expected for the next 2 to 3 months. Minister says they are preparing health facilities and positioning humanitarian assistance on higher ground.
There is a committee actually formed by the government that includes the Ministry of Water Irrigations and then the Ministry of Environment and Humanitarian Affairs. So they are working actually on emergency preparedness. So that we should actually prepare ourselves before, this flood comes.
The government says this year more than 5.4 million people out of the country's estimated total population of 12 million are expected to live in flood-affected areas. The United Nations says more earth banks are needed in places like Bentiu, despite the demand of maintaining the breakwaters.
The dikes, they need a regular maintenance, even with this standing water, because it is not going to recede soon. So this standing water exerts a lot of pressure on the dikes. So it merits a continuous maintenance effort throughout, because now say around more than 10 kilometers of the dikes has been made to save the airstrip, Rupkona village, as well as unmissed Bentiu base.
But without these dikes built to encircle Bentiu, the town would completely submerge. Patrick Oyet, CGTN, Juba, South Sudan.